Hello, beautiful soul, and welcome to this grounding meditation. I invite you to bring yourself into a comfortable seated position if you haven't done it already. And when you feel comfortable, you may gently close your eyes or find a soft gazing point in front of you. And turn your awareness inwards. Focus on your breathing. How are you breathing right now? Take in a deep inhale towards your belly, through the nose. Exhale through the mouth. Inhale, expand your belly. Exhale, release, fully empty. One more time, deep inhale. Let your belly fill up with air. Exhale, release it out through the mouth. And keep focusing on your breathing. And maybe you want to place one or both hands onto your sacral area, really feeling into the base of your body, and start noticing the ground underneath you. Feel how you are being carried, resting on Mother Earth. She is holding space for you. And take in a deep inhale once more. And exhale, give it back to the trees. Maybe you want to place your hands back onto your thighs. And while you keep breathing and focusing on your breath, I invite you to visualize yourself sitting in the middle of a lush green forest. Trees surrounding you. Sun rays shining through the leaves, and maybe the sun is even touching your skin lightly. Feel the calming presence of nature here, the rich soil beneath you. You feel Mother Earth, her presence, her energy. What does she feel like right now? Breathe in this fresh forest air, crisp, earthy, blooming smells. Feel your sit bones resting on the ground, your spine straight, reaching to the top of the trees. Notice where your lowest part of your spine touches the earth. And visualize a tiny root growing down into the earth, reaching and growing downwards, splitting into more roots, growing bigger and wider. Feel how these roots are embraced by the earth. Her energy colliding with yours. Feel yourself here, gaining more stability and resilience, while your roots grow bigger and deeper. Each root growing into their own direction, taking up their space. And from these roots firmly grounded into the earth, start traveling up the spine towards the top of your head. From your crown, visualize a tiny branch growing out, reaching towards the top of the trees around you. This branch also splitting and growing into different directions. From the branches, colorful green leaves start growing. Maybe even colorful flowers, fully turning green, lush, and colorful. A fresh breeze strokes your branches slightly. Because of the roots grown deeply into the ground, you feel stability and firmness. You stand tall, surrounded by all the other trees and their beauty. You are grounded, and you are part of their family. See yourself planted in this forest. For a moment, enjoy this energy. From the top of your branches, travel down towards your heart space. Gently gently become aware of your body. Maybe you want to place one hand onto your heart. Remember that you can always return to this place whenever you feel like you need a moment to ground. When you feel ready, you may gently bring some movement back into your body. And when you feel called, you may gently blink open your eyes again, and I welcome you back into this space. Thank you, beautiful soul, for devoting yourself this practice, for sitting down into this forest. I wish you a wonderful rest of the day, and I hope to see you soon.